Okay, so we are looking at this question 1. So I believe that we are looking at this question. You will have your paper with you. Okay, so take it that I already plotted the points there. So I want you to remember this part here very clearly, that if I look at this number here, this is the coordinate of 0, 1. And this one will be coordinate of 1 minus 2. Okay, so we are supposed to plot 8 coordinates. Okay, for the value of p, I need to sub in x equals to minus 2 into the equation. This equation, okay, is the equation that we are looking at, which we need to draw the curve for. This part here is the table, okay? This is the table of values that we are supposed to plot it on the graph paper. And the x and y for respective so-called column is the coordinate of every point. So we are supposed to plot out 8 points. Okay, we are supposed to plot out 8 points. Okay, so counting from there, 8 points. Okay, 5, 6. And the first point, right, the x is minus 2. So the y will be substituting into the equation to find. Okay, I hope that you remember this. So sub in minus 2 into the equation. Just press the calculator. You will be able to get 13. So this one here, we are plotting minus 2 and 13. Okay, minus 1 and 6. Okay, so we are supposed to draw, okay, the curve on the graph paper. So I reiterate again, all points plotted correctly. That means all points plotted correctly, you will get 2 marks. And 1 mark is given for the smooth curve drawn passing through all the points. Okay, I reiterate, all the points. So write down the coordinates of the x-intercept. So if I know that the y-intercept, okay, maybe let me use yellow color. Y-intercept is this one here. Okay, this value is 1, but the coordinate is x is equals to, never move to the left, never move to the right, so it's 0, 1. And for the x-intercept, that means is cutting the horizontal axis, which is this point here. This point is 0.3. Okay, y is 0. Okay, never move up, never move down, so z is 0. And this point here is 3.7, then 0. Okay, so this is what we're going to fill in. Okay, for those who are here, so 0.30 and 3.70. For the y-intercept, it will be okay, y-intercept here is 0, 1. So 0 and 1. Okay. Using the graph, that means using your own graph, estimate the values. You look at this, the difference between these two here. Okay, I want you to look at where is my highlighter? Okay, the highlighter. Let me use the big one. This is values. This is value. So when there is a S, that means there must be at least 2 answers. Oh, 2 answers. Okay, please think of this part here. Okay, the value of x when y equals to 2. When y equals to 2 is a horizontal line. Y equals to 2. Where's my pen? Okay, y equals to 2. Y equals to 2. Let me erase this first. Y equals to 2 is a horizontal line. Okay, so I will draw the line from here all the way to here. Okay, so when it cuts the curve, okay, remember, okay, maybe I don't use the blue. Okay, I use the another line. Okay, another color, maybe the purple to represent. Okay, use the purple to represent y equals to 2. Okay, this is y equals to 2. So when I cut the point here, here, Okay, this is minus 0.2. Okay, when I cut the point here, the x value, so I'm reading off the x value. The intersection is here, going downwards, the x value will be 4.3. Okay, so the x value will be minus 0.2 and 4.3. Okay, so the x value will be minus 0.2 and 4.3. The value of y when x equals to 4.5. When x is equals to 4.5. So x is 4.5 is here. Okay, so I will draw the value up. Then I will draw across until it touches the y-intercept. Okay, no, not y-intercept, the y-axis. So when I read off here, here is actually 2.8. Okay, 2.8. Why 2.8? So at this part here, this is 2. So this is 2.2, 2.4, 2.6, 2.8. Okay, 2.8. So the y value will be 2.8. The y value is 2.8. Okay, wait, only here. This is 2.8. Equals to 2.8. Write down the equation of the line of symmetry. When I talk about line of symmetry, it must be the vertical line, usually. So it must be x equals to the value. So what value are we looking at? We want to find the value that cuts the curve exactly into a half. Okay, exactly into a half. Okay, let me use green now. Okay, when it cuts into half, so very clear cut. You see this point here and this point here, they are equal, right? So when I want to find the line that cuts this into half, it will be this line, right? Already, right? Okay, so this is the 2. This is the 2 x. This is 2. So therefore, is x equals to 2. Okay, x equals to 2 is the line of symmetry. X equals to 2. You must write x equals to something. The coordinates of the minimum point. If I look at this curve here, the lowest point is actually this point here. And this point, we already know is x equals to 2, y equals to minus 3. So the minimum point here is x equals to 2 and y equals to minus 3. Okay, that's all for the first question.